Now we're going to see the troubleshooting of Forbes Marshall pipeline connector. The issue reported in this pipeline connector would be not isolating the steam. To cross-check the same, you have to open the bonnet assembly and check for the sealing ring damage. To remove the same, open the hand wheel fully. Once this is done, remove the bonnet fasteners as well as the washers. Use the right-sized tools to remove these fasteners. Once the fasteners are removed, close the isolation valve. Rotate the hand wheel in a clockwise direction. You will see that the bonnet is lifted up. Disengage the bonnet assembly from the body. Check for the sealing ring if damaged. If damaged, replace the sealing ring. Refer to the user manual for the procedure. Check for any damage on the piston surface. Piston surface should be clean and scratch-free. Once this is done, reassemble the bonnet assembly. This is how you troubleshoot the Forbes Marshall pipeline connector.